Hello and welcome to Christian channel. Today, Christian will show me how to use this small and cute chainsaw that he bought from Sweden and bring home here for us to use. So let's learn some good things. So this chainsaw uses a rechargeable battery. So Chris show me how to put the oil needed for the chain. What's that for?
That's oil for the chain.
Oh, okay.
Listen. Can you remember now when you should try the saw?
Yeah.
It is dangerous. If you come up the chain with a leg or a hand or a finger, it'd be very, very bad damage.
Of course.
This one is really. Yeah. So take it easy, be seriously and careful.
Okay.
I will not bring you to hospital without a finger. And use that too.
Why do you mix it?
You need oil on yeah.
Why not use one kind of oil?
Yeah. They're selling special oil for that, but you can use other kind of oil too.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you have to pick up the machine. If you take a little rest, you can't break. Listen.
Yes. Let's work on this. We'll make into pieces using the chainsaw, a small one, and make it into pieces for barbecue. Okay.
You try a little bit here first.
Does it work? Oh.
Not so bad.
Yes.
And you can put that down and came here.
I will be the one to work.
I want you to try this here.
Okay.
So put it down.
Let's do this.
Then you have, when you want it to run, you have this one first, pull it back, and then here you have this.
Okay.
Pull that back, first one, and then you can release it. And then you're going not up, never like this, never, always like this.
Okay.
And then you make pieces like this.
Does it for me or not?
Yeah, that's for you. And then you make the pieces like this, and then the same here, and then you go up here again and make two pieces more. Try to do that.
Let's do this. Careful with your feet. How? Cannot. Oh.
A little bit here, a little bit like that, and then back again. Then when you're out there, you can also start to do like this, a little.
Oh.
Just a little. Like this.
Can I just do like that?
Not fast, just. Try to take this one.
Are you sure there's no...
No, man, you can go here. No, because it's okay. It sounds like you lost a name in that. You see, it's not so. So what will you do now?
This one. Step, can that
Check
be?
this one. See, there's a big nail down there. But next year,
Hey, I did it! Okay, okay. That's how it is. That's how it works.